Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar and tap on this option on the right. The second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 10, 5 and 3 seconds delay. So just tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is highlighted, and now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so to turn off the timer, simply tap on this arrow in the right upper corner and mark off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.